Hello and welcome back, guys. So, in this particular session, what we need to do is we need to write a function which determines a given string which represents uh, the selectors, or it should be Stalagmites, right? So, it should be among them, and we need to check if the first character is an uppercase letter or not, right? So, we could do that with formation 0, right? It should be greater than or equals to A, and it should be formation 0 should be less than equals to Z. Okay, Z. Right, let's open this thing and it should return stalactites. Yes, and then it should return stalagmites, right? Let me run the code. Works just fine, right? So I'm just assuming it to be other than S as well. That would come in the input, but seems like we could have just compared it with S only. But this thing would be a better solution in my approach. That's why I'm going with it. Okay, I'm submitting the code. Great. What's the solution other people have put out? Okay, using is upper. Okay, that should be a function of a string, right? Okay, I did not do that. Okay, this guy is doing great. Okay, and doing string len and blah blah. All right. Other people are using C type and everything. Okay. So yeah, that looks like a direct comparison. Right. So yeah, it's better to do it like this, in my opinion. Right. Just to you do it without any libraries and stuff. Okay. So that's how we solve this particular problem. If you have any other questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.